Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker for a Chevrolet Monte Carlo. With our screwdriver, we're going to go down below the control panel and armrest and remove two screws at the bottom of this panel. We're going to move up to the door lock and door handle area and remove one screw from this panel. This will allow you to pry the front edge of the panel from the door releasing clips. As you work around the edges of this panel, you may find the back of it can be somewhat difficult. Holding the door open handle out and prying along the back edge of this panel can release clips. Again, these clips release with pry pressure. This will allow you to pull this panel from over the door handle and pull it forward. There is a connector here for the window switch. We're going to pry on each side of the window switch while at the same time pushing the switch back through the opening, with both sides being pried back, allowing this switch to release. You can push it through the opening. The reason for removing this switch is the connector that goes into the door panel is at an angle that you can't release it. With it released from the panel, we're going to pull it up, locate the trigger on the connector, squeeze it into the connector, release the lock, and remove the connector. Now we're going to take this switch and push it back into the panel to have it ready for removal, and set this panel to the side. With our Phillips screwdriver, we're going to go to the top leading edge of this panel and remove the final mounting screw. With our pry bar, we're going to start at the bottom back edge of this panel, prying it from the door releasing clips, and with finger and hand pressure work our way along the bottom of the panel, up the front edge of the panel, pulling this panel back, releasing clips, and finally up the back edge of this panel, releasing clips. We have a full library removal guides at our website. See that for more help. With the bottom of the door panel pulled away from the door, lifted up out of the window jamb, followed by the leading edge lifted up out of the window jamb. We're going to pull the top edge of the panel back to access the control panel. The connectors at the control panel. This control panel does not pry from the panel. Release the triggers on the connectors. These connectors are all keyed so they fit to one spot, and remove the door panel. Check the door for any remaining clips that may have stayed on the door, pry them from the door, and replace them to their corresponding spots on the door panel, ready for installation. There are two ways to remove the speakers in this car: the 4 screws securing the speaker to the plate, or the entire plate. See our website for other removal guides. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.